what I'm doing in this first part is I've logged into GitHub and I'm going to create a new repository. I'm going to give the repository a name that makes sense to me, as well as I'm going to put in a description of what the repository is about. I'm going to set mine to public, but as a student, you would probably want to set yours to private, and do not select the README button. It'll cause problems later on for you. So don't select README. Then when you're done all that, just select the green button called Create Repository. On the next page, it'll bring you to the actual repository itself, and you can see at the top of the repository with the name that I gave it. But what you really are after is the URL that it's created for you. And you can click on the side of the URL, the clipboard, and you're going to need that inside of Visual Studio 2019. So when you open up Visual Studio 2019, you're going to create a new project. Select the ASP.NET Core web application. Hit Next. Give the project a name. And you'll notice on the third row down, it will also automatically give you a solution name that's automatically populating. I'm going to call mine Lesson 1 Project Setup First Time. Then select the Create button. And select Create again, and it will take you to this page. On the right-hand side, what I have set up is Team Explorer. If you don't have that, you can go to View, and it's the fourth one down, Team Explorer, and it should show up on your window somewhere. In the bottom right, what you see on my screen is I'm selecting the Git button. So go ahead and select that. Then select Publish Git Repo that you see on my screen. This is where you're going to now paste the URL that you took from your GitHub account when you made the repository. Once you've pasted it in, just click the Publish button. Once that's completed, you can go to the top and select the Home button, and you'll be given several different options. Selecting Change, you can put in a description of what this specific file is that you're posting. If I now go back into my GitHub account and I select the repository that I just made, you'll see the updates. You can also do a refresh of your browser. As you can see here, my project has been uploaded to GitHub. When I select the Commit button, it shows me what I've done and at what time. Then by selecting the Code button, I can see all of my files in their entirety in my GitHub repository. You may have to play around a little bit with it till you get used to it, but that should be enough to help you complete Lab 1 for this week.